Thank you for being here. Today we are here with our little angel Benny, our beautiful Chinobi, and ready to start a new project. Something you can make for yourself, for our lovely pets. Today we will make a coaster. This is a wonderful accessory for your coffee cup. We had here a beautiful print and really cute dogs, and it's how we'll working today, but you can use it any of the fabrics you had or something you can reuse and recycle any clothes you had in good condition and you want to try it. Okay, let's start. Let's start with our project, and this is part of the materials you will need. You can use it a little batiste or paillon, something can make soft. We have here one piece. It's just one, but you can use it two pieces. It depends the quantity of the materials you had. In this case, we had one piece and 11.5 by 5.5, but we can add one of the 5.5 by 5.5 and another 5.5 or by 5.5. When we had the piece, I like to use the iron to take away any wrinkles we had and make the fabric more even to sewing. We will fold it in this case, or you put the two pieces you had facing against to the right way, and we put the paillon in the top. I like always use it a little pink because when we sewing in that way the fabric will be in the same place and can be more the product can be more professional and better to sewing. We had two, and let's see that after we had in this position we're going to sewing. Okay, now we have the fabric here with the paillon, and we will sewing for 3 parts, and the 4th part we leaving one part open, that helping us to turn up the fabric and we can see the face of the fabric. I like to start to sewing in the sides we will leave it open, and that way the corners we will sewing with really easy way. Now we have one part finished. I was looking here because I was feeling looks like the sewing machine wasn't working correctly, but no, that's fine. Just the thread was holding in the back. Okay, now we can continue talk about our wonderful pets, dogs and cats. There are very special animals that give to us a lot of happiness. The pets that are very active, they need people who like to walk and play and spend a lot of time. They have a lot of energy, especially when they are little puppies. They need a lot of attention, but they recompense you with a lot of love. Wonderful companies. Okay, now we have the 4 parts You can see we leaving this part open. We're going to cut the corners. We'll do it here to that part memories when we try to sew in the another part. Now we can take the pins because we don't need those at this moment, and we can cut the excess of the tree. Now we can looking for the part we can leave open, and just try to look in and get the corner and bring to the front. When you had one, you can easily to bring the anothers. You can leave it more open in case you think it's more easy for you. It's not really a recommendation about a specific space you can leave it open. More small, because you can maybe try to keep all the stitches together. Sorry. Okay, now I use this one to point the corners, and we had in this way at this point, and we had this part open. Now we will going to close to this part, and we will sew in against the four sides of the coaster. Try to keep even that part, and now we can start sewing. We can have a really nice coaster. I love the print. I think so they are really cute. Okay, now we're going to the another part, and in this part we will talking about the cat, because we are already talking about the dogs. The cat, they are different in the way they are less active. They spend a lot of time sleeping, but they know may been less funny and great company as well. They are more quiet, same loyal as a dog, like to play. I think so they get tired more easily, but then you can have some time play with them. Now how you can see, we're almost done. We're going here to the last corner, and we will try to meet with another part. Okay. We try always to take the excess, because sometimes we leave little threads. And we have here, you can leave it in this way. It's beautiful, and I like it to do one more step, and start to sewing an inch inside. Try to keep the inch. You can use the roll and a fabric pencil if it's something you can feel more confident. Here we have one, and one 1 inch, or you can do 2 inch or 1.5. After you do the your first one, you can see which one match better with your style. And now we had the last and not least, because this one helping us with close that part. Okay. And I like do that part because I believe so the coffee cup or your tea or your water, anything you want to drink, can be sit better when you demark where it's supposed to be. But it's something except you how you like it. Okay, now we will make a set. I will make another one and I will come back with you. And here we have the two coasters ready. The last step is we will use the iron to take all the wrinkles. You see, it looks really nice, and we do that for both sides with both of them. It's a really great something for as a gift for pet lovers, something for yourself. And how I say, you can use it any print you have or any print you like it, and can be really a great project. You can do for yourself, you can surprise somebody, you want to do something special for that person, and this is the result of our job. And if you want made even more special, we have here, let me off this one and put it here, and you can take anything you had. I had at this moment this one. This is really cute, match with any print you had, and just to make a ball like this one, and ready to give for somebody or something you can use yourself. We hope you like it, and thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing with us this time. Please subscribe, give like to this video, and share with friends and family. Can be a great help for us. We see you next week with more projects for cats and dogs. See you soon, and thank you.